What's up, you guys? My name is Jaden Garcia and welcome back to the YouTube channel. And in today's video, I have some absolute sauce to share with you guys. I'm going to be sharing a brand new product research tool that you should be using that it's going to easily help you find winning ads and winning products in just a few seconds. Now, this AI product research tool is literally changing the game when it comes to dropshippers and e-commerce store owners, because instead of guessing what type of ad to test next, it allows you to tap into the top performing image and video ads across any niche. And the best part is it allows you to even recreate the image ads that you find using this platform using AI. So basically think of it like having a creative strategist, a script writer, and a spy tool all in one. So if you're excited for the video, I would greatly appreciate it if you stick around to the end, because I have a special deal for you guys where you're going to be able to try this completely for free. There's literally no risk at all. And I'm also going to be showing you exactly how to use this tool step by step, so that way you can find winning products and even better, winning creatives much faster without all of the trial and error. So drop a like, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff, and let's hop right into the video. All right, you guys, so hopping right into Get Hooked. So this right here is the homepage where you're able to explore tons of different ads. And when I say tons, I mean tons. There are 22 million total ads right now on this platform, which is absolutely insane. And I believe they're updating about 100,000 different ads each and every single day. So there's always fresh content. So let's go ahead and start off on the left side. There's tons of different filters that you can choose from to really hone in on the type of ad that you're looking for. So you can start off with performance. This is how it's actually performing, and a rate of stars. So this is based off of the Get Hooked platform and what they think is good and what is not good. So I'm going to just choose 4 stars. It's typically what I like to do. The ad format, you can choose either images or videos. I'm going to leave it open because I kind of want to show you a couple different things. Now for the static ad style, now this is all going to depend on the type of niche that you are currently selling in. So if you're doing like, fitness brand, for example, you may want to see before and afters. If you are selling a beauty tool, for example, you may want to see, again, before and afters. As you can see, there's a hair before and after right here. But I'm going to, again, leave this pretty broad. And if we scroll down, the next filter is status. Now, this is extremely important because you have to remember that companies aren't going to continue to run ads if they're not profitable, okay? And you need to keep that in mind. And this is why this tool is so powerful, is because there's an actual filter for it. So we always want to make sure that we have still running turned on, because again, we don't want ads that have been turned off, because if they've been turned off, they most likely are not profitable. So now what we need to do is categorize by niche, okay? So I typically sell products right now in the fashion and health and wellness space. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that here on the left side. And as you can see, we're starting to see ads that reflect that. Now for the runtime works hand in hand with status. Again, people are not going to continue to spend money on the platform if they're not making any money. So I like to set this to at least 7 days, so you can kind of get out all of the ads that just have been launched in the past couple of days. I believe a week is a good indication, or gives brands a good indication whether or not they should continue running the ad or not. So 7 is what we're going to choose here. Now, obviously for the language, you want to go ahead and select English. And then channels, again, this is all going to depend on what platform you're trying to advertise on. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose Facebook. If you're advertising on TikTok ads and you want to find TikTok ads, go ahead and choose that. Now for the start date, I'm going to leave this broad, but you can actually choose within the past 30 days. If you want to go 30 days back, so that way you have a good indication of what's being launched right now, you can do that. But again, I'm going to leave it broad for this. And then as far as the other filters, I'm actually going to leave those alone as well. So now we have a more curated search feed that we can go ahead and find winning creatives and even winning products. So what I like to do typically is just scroll through this for about 10 to 20 minutes, just looking through everything. If you highlight over a post, you can actually have it play. It'll show you like a little bit of a preview. But what's really amazing about this is you don't have to just, open this up in a new tab and have 100 different tabs. You can actually save this as part of your swipe files. So I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. So let's just say this was an ad that I was interested in. I can click save. And now if I come over to swipe file, I can come back to it at a later date without having to have 5,000 different tabs open. So again, it's a really easy way to be able to stay organized with your product research. All right, so let's check out this advertisement right here, because I know that this is a proven winner. This product right here is a activewear set. Okay, it comes with the pants, comes with the bra, etc., etc. I know this is a fact a winner. As you can see on the top, it says a 5-star rating, meaning this is an exceptional ad that's driving maximum results, which is great. But you want to really pay attention to these numbers right here. So this is 778. This means that there is 778 active ads for the specific brand, meaning that they're scaling and they're definitely making money. Okay. Now the 5 here means how many ads are using the same creative and text. That means that they have 5 different variations of this ad, and they've been running it for the past 8 days, which should give you a good indication that this is in fact working. So we head over to details here. It's going to give us a ton of more information. Okay, so we can track the brand in Brand Spy, which I'll go ahead and do right now. And you're going to see all the different ad formats that they have. You can see the trends. You can see their most used landing pages. And then you can also scroll down and see their top 10 most performing ads from the same brand, which is really nice. And you can also go ahead and save those to your swipe files so that way you can look at them later. Now, if we head back to the details screen, we can actually check out their exact ad copy here. We can go ahead and click Shop Now. It's going to take us right to the products or the product page. So these are all the products that they're currently selling. So I can go ahead and just click on one of these. This looks pretty similar to what was in the video. I could check out, the pricing. I could check out the product description, reviews, get any type of inspiration that I need. Not only that, but I can also download the creative right to my computer. So if I just click on download media, it's going to go ahead and download right here. And then lastly, what I can do is I can actually generate an AI script. So let's just say I don't want the exact transcript. I can go ahead and generate my own right here just by clicking this, select the folder, default folder. So I didn't put too much thought into this, but I went ahead and filled this out. So I put Elevate Motion, Sculpt Flex Seamless Activewear Set for the product name, target audience, women 18 through 35 who value fashion forward functional activewear, so on and so forth. And then I put a simple product description as well. Meet your new go-to set for movement and motivation. The Sculpt Flex Seamless Activewear Set is designed to contour, support, and move with your body, whether you're hitting the gym, running errands, or lounging in style, so on and so forth. Just a few sentences explaining your product, and then you can go ahead and click Write Script. So as you can see, within a few seconds, it already came up with a hook, body, and call to action. And what's great is if you don't like any of these, for example, the hook, I could just go ahead and regenerate until I find something that I personally like. Now, this is going to help you so much if you're somebody out there that's struggling to be able to create viral hooks and viral copy for your ads. So then from there, what you can do is just take this exact script and then you can use it for your own ads. So if you didn't know, static ads are actually super underrated when it comes to Meta and get pretty good cost per clicks depending on how you approach it. So they have a static ad template section, which is amazing. And all of these, you can edit them right on Canva. And these are all top performing ads across social media. Okay, so for example, I actually like this one here on the top. If I click on edit on Canva, what it's going to do is it's going to bring this up here. You click on view template and then open an editor. So as you can see, now you have that exact advertisement right in your Canva where you can actually edit this yourself and put in your brand name, your images, your text, etc. Just keep in mind, this is the original. You have to scroll down and now you can edit this one here on the bottom and you can do pretty much whatever you want here. Put your text, delete these images and put in your brand, and now you have a high converting ad that's already been proven. So lastly, what I want to show you is how to create AI images with Get Hooked. Now this is incredible. Okay, now obviously I just showed you the static ad templates, which are amazing, but let's just say, for example, you're on the explore page and you found an ad or an image ad that you wanted to recreate for your own brand, which I did here. I found this right here, which is a testimonial image. All I did was save it, then it ends up in your swipe file, and this is important because you need it in your swipe file for you to be able to add it to their generator. So what you're going to want to do is come down to AI image ads, generate a new AI static image, and then you're going to add inspiration. Now what's really cool is you can add inspiration from your computer as well. So if you screenshot an image from Instagram, or if you found an image through Google that you wanted to use for inspiration for your ad, you can add that right here. But what I'm going to do is do it right from my swipe file, select this one right here, submit selection, and now you're going to see that image right here. So now what you want to do is just come up with a simple prompt. Now there is no right or wrong answer to this. You can play around with it, but you really don't have to do too much to get amazing images. Okay, so I made this script right here. Very simple. Change the background to pink to match my brand. Create a new persona of a woman in her mid-30s and create a brand new testimonial. So all you have to do now is just click on generate AI variations. And typically this takes anywhere from like 30 seconds to a minute. It's usually really quick. So as you can see right here, it came up with 4 different options that we can go ahead and download. Very simple. It took about a minute to do. And if I zoom in here, you can see these images, which look fantastic. All right, you guys, so that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys did enjoy and that you took some value from it. If you're ready to stop all the guesswork when it comes to ads and find creatives that are actually going to convert, then I highly recommend the AI tool Get Hooked. It's an absolutely incredible platform, and I'm implementing it more and more into my strategy for everyday product research. So if you want to try this out completely for yourself, I actually have a special deal with them that's going to allow you to try this for 14 days completely risk-free. And if you decide to move forward after the 14 days, you'll actually get an additional 30% off your first month. If you want to take advantage of that, I'll be sure to leave a link at the top of the description and also in the pinned comment. As always, thank you guys so much for continuing to support and watch this channel. It truly means the world to me. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys want to see from me in the future. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day or night whenever you're watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time.